Good day, guys. I welcome you to a new week, a new day. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to transfer our Pi or withdraw our Pi from the Pi app to any exchange of our choice. And we are going to be using MEX for this. Okay, but before we dive into that, I would love to tell us that if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to receive our notification anytime we make any videos. Thank you. The D-Day for the Pi we have been waiting for the past 6 years has finally come, which is the mainnet launching. It has been launched, and just as I will tell people, your expectations should not be that high, because so many persons have so much expectations that Pi is going to list this, they're going to list that. Pi is a potential project. It's not just your normal crypto project. No, Pi has a future. Okay, he has a future. So what you need to do is believe in the project and save. Train your Pi just the same way you train your child. Yes, train your child. Train Pi the same way you train your child, because by doing that, if you train a child, the child will grow in wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. So you train your Pi so it has a better height, a better potential for you. So it's going to yield more fruit for you. Okay, like I would tell people, I'm not your financial advisor, but my advice is don't eat your tomorrow today. Okay, don't eat your tomorrow. Don't be in a haste to sell. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just saying this for those that understand what I'm saying. Now let's go into the main thing of today, being how to withdraw our Pi from the Pi app to any exchange of our choice, which we're using MEX. Let's go. So what we're going to do, you log into your MEX exchange. Make sure your MEX exchange is verified. Okay, then you come over to deposit. You click on deposit, then you click on deposit crypto, then you come over to search. Over here, come over to search. You search for Pi. Okay, as you can see, it says suspended. You see over here, but let's click on it. Okay, they said it is suspended for now. So let's use another exchange. Let's go with BitGet. Let's try BitGet. Let's go with BitGet and see. I just hope it's not suspended here too. So what you're going to do is come over to add fund. Come over to this place. Okay, you click on deposit crypto, then you search for Pi over here. Look at it, the first one, Pi Network. Then you copy the contact address, copy it. Okay, then you return back to your Pi app. So what you need to do now is get over to this dashboard here, click on it, go to mainnet, click on mainnet, which is the second one. You click on it, then you wait for it to load. Okay, we are here now. So the next thing you are going to do is come over to this place, migrate to mainnet, click on the wallet, then it brings you here. Then you click over to your wallet, click your wallet, Then you unlock it with whatsoever you are using to unlock, either face verification, fingerprint, or with a seed phrase. Okay? And I would advise us to always save your seed phrase. Save it safe. It should be safe somewhere. It might be outside your phone. It might be in your Gmail. Just keep it safe. It's very important because with your seed phrase, they can steal from you if it's if it's not kept well. So we are here now. Now, as it is like this now, I cannot transfer any coin here because my coin is locked in this particular account. Is being locked. Okay, I would have made video in the other account that was not locked, but I already transferred it to an exchange. So it skipped my mind yesterday. Okay, so what you are going to do is this one at this place now is not yet available. This is what you have, but it's not yet in your available balance. The only place you can transfer is when the ones that are already here in your available balance. And as you can see, I have only 0.0 here now, but I'm still going to show you how you can transfer. Now, what is the next thing you need to do? As long as you have any amount you want to transfer from this available balance, not this one. This one is still locked. This one over here is still locked, but this one below is, this one here, there is an available balance, is the one you can transfer and sell now. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what you need to do is you come over to this place. Okay, you click on it. Now you come over to this place, you click on it. The address that we copied from BitGet, you will be posting it here. Okay, this is where you'll be posting it. This is it. Then after that, you come over here, and if you have any amount you want to deposit, if it's 1, 2, 3, or 5 pi, for example, I want to transfer 5, you write 5. Then as you can see, this memo here is optional. For those of you that will be asking the question, this memo here is optional. So it's not a must that you put memo because there's no memo in the exchange. Yes, there is no memo in that exchange. But if you see any memo in your own, you can also copy your memo and paste here, which I'm not sure there's any memo. So after you finish doing that, then you send. You send. Mind you, there's a gas fee. As you can see here, this is the gas fee, 0.01. This is the gas fee. So it will now transfer. When you send, you are now sending to that exchange. Okay, now let's go back to our exchange, BitGet, and let's say some certain things there. But before we go into that, I want us to, some persons have been asking me questions that their KYC, they are still stocked in tentative, they are not yet migrated. I want to tell you all, be patient. Be patient. Now, the pressure on the PyCore team will be lesser now, okay, because they have launched. So now they will take their time to attend to every KYC and every yet migrated account. So I believe they're going to do that before the ending of the month of February. All of you that have done your KYC already and still stocked in tentative KYC, you will be migrated. Yes, let's hope for the best. Before the ending of this month, you are going to be migrated. Okay, and when you're migrated, you can say it on the comment section that you are migrated already. Okay, so now let's go back to our exchange where we transferred our PyCoin to. So we are here already. We are here. So what you need to do now, if you want to sell yours, what you need to do now is you come over to this place. So if you want to know if your pile has if you have received it on the the exchange you have transferred it to. All you need to do is come over to assets. Come over to assets here, click on it. Then you will see it here. It should be among these ones. It will be listed here. Okay, this is where you can see it. Now, if you want to sell, now you come over to this place, click on it, click on your Pi, click on Pi. It's going high already. This one, you can see it's going high. Now, remember I told you, those in my community, that Pi has a higher demand. Pi has a higher demand, and we, the communities, are the ones to make the demand, this coin do well. Now, the demand is high. When the supply is low, the price will skyrocket. I hope you understand what I'm saying. The demand of Pi is high. Forget about all these things we are seeing here online, $1 plus. Forget about it. The demand is high. The demand is high. As we all know, it's only Africans that they allowed. It's only Africans that they allowed to trade their Pi. Every other countries, be it in Asia, Europe, they are not allowed to sell their Pi. These guys want we Africans to sell all our Pi to give it out. Yes, to sell all our Pi to give it out. Then in the future, we will be regretting. Okay, so I want you all to know this and know peace. Know this and know peace. Okay, so what you need to do for those that want to sell, you come over to trade. You click on the trade. Yes. Now, if you come over here, you will see buy, you will see sell. Based on you want to sell, you click on sell. Then you click on the quantity you want to buy. Oh, sorry, the quantity you want to sell. Sorry. If it's all the Pi that you deposited in your exchange that you want to sell, you come over to this place here. You come over here. You come over here, this thing here. So you draw it. If it's all of them, you draw it to the end. I hope you see what I'm showing you. You draw it down to the end here. If it's half of it, you draw it here. Okay. Then, if you want to use by quantity, you come here and type. If it's 5 you want to sell, if it's 10, then you put the amount you want to sell here. Then after that, you just come down to this place and sell. Okay, you come here and sell. So some persons have been asking me, what of this place that they wrote limit order, and if you click it, you see market. What does it mean? Okay, let me tell you what it means. Limit order is when you have a particular price you want to sell. You have a particular price you want to sell this particular project, then you put it on limit order. For example, I want to sell it for one Pi for $10. Then what I need to do is to come over to this place and put $10. Yes, I come over to this place and put $10. That's what I want to, sorry, this quantity. Sorry. I come over to this place and I input $10 that I want to sell it for $10. Okay? This is it. Then I'm setting a limit order. Yes. Then if it's not going to sell, even if I click sell, it will not sell until Pi is being sold for $10, then it will sell by himself because I've set it already. Okay, so now when you click on markets, when you click here to change it to market actually means you are going to sell it in this actual price. This price, that is what you'll be selling it for. Once you click on sell, it will sell. This is the market price. This is how, this is what you actually want. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so these are the two difference between market and limit for those of you that have been asking the questions. Okay, so when you sell, it will automatically turn to USDT. Okay, then you can then transfer it to any exchange that you can do peer-to-peer to. You can sell, then that is how you can sell your Pi. Okay, there is nothing difficult there. So I repeat myself, any question you want to ask about Pi, you can ask it in the comment section. I'll be here to attend to every question to the best of my knowledge. Okay, remember, if you want Pi to go high, don't sell, because the demand is high. Let us, the community that mind Pi, to make the supply costs. Let the supply be cost, let it be low. Yes, let us supply low and let the demand keep on being high. So by way doing this, you see before the ending of this week, Pi is going to touch $5, $6. Then before the ending of this year, you'll be surprised seeing Pi in $50 or $100. Might be surprised. Why? Because we, the community, we have refused to sell. Yes, we Africans, we have refused to sell, because these guys want us to sell everything to them, to their exchanges, then to be enslaved again, just like what happened to Bitcoin. May the Lord give you understanding. Okay, so this is what you need to do about Pi. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on your notification bell, like the video. If you know the video is helpful to you, like the video. You can even share the video to those that you know that might need this knowledge. Okay, thank you very much.